Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? Welcome back to Puzzle Fun. And I've got a puzzle here by Bits and Pieces. It's called the Stash Your Cash. And it's coming at you with another box puzzle tonight. So we're gonna get this started and see how this looks. Now, get this open. There we go. I'm pretty sure this is the solution. I'm not going to look at that. Alright, let's get started. Looks like we got basically a wooden puzzle box. That moves on the top. Got slots on the sides so you can hide your money or your stash or whatever you want to hide in there. That slides in there. Solid bottom. There's a groove here on the side. I wonder if... Another groove on this side. I wonder if this lifts. Oh hey, that lifts up. Doesn't come out. Oh, okay. So basically that slides over and this lifts here. Yep. So, what do I do now? And that just comes right out. And that slides off. And there you have it. That is the stash puzzle. About a minute 12 I did it in. Not a hard puzzle at all. Basically pretty easy, to tell you the truth. Not gonna lie, with Bits and Pieces, I've had a lot of what they look like hard puzzles turn out to be easy puzzles. So I've been kind of like not impressed with them too much, but this is a pretty cool puzzle. I mean, it's a cool design, a very nice wooden one, better than the other wooden boxes I've done. It just kind of like looks like it's on a pivot. That's pretty cool. But yeah. So to put it together, it looks like this goes back in here. This drops down there. Flip this over, drop. Oh. Lift this up. Oh gosh. Lift this up a little. Slide that over. Slide that down, down, and in. And there it is, put back together. And that is Bits and Pieces, Stash Your Cash box. Pretty cool. Yeah, and that looks like that's all there is for tonight. Like, subscribe, share, shoot me some comments. If you have any ideas for puzzles, you come across any puzzles, and you want to send me one, get at me. I will put my email in the bio below, and hit me up. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good night.